Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today let's learn HSK2, Unit 1, 汉语水平考试2，第一单元。September is the best time to visit Beijing. 9月去北京旅游最好。So first, I want to inform you that if you are the beginner of learning Chinese, that you can learn HSK1 on my channel. I will drop the links on the right or left side wherever. And if you finish HSK2, and you can learn H3 on my channel as well. So I hope all you guys will find the best way on my channel to learn Chinese. I'm always here to help you to learn Chinese, okay? So first, let's do the warm-up and match the pictures with words. So like this exercise, and you can try the short one. So only, the last one, because it's only one word, right? Maybe it's easy. So Chinese character and pinyin here, 猫, 猫. So I think we learned in HSK1, and so we choose A, right? Cat, 猫 in Chinese. In English, cat. Okay, so here the first one, 旅游, 旅游, travel. So we choose D. And number 2, 运动, 运动, doing exercise. So we choose E, right? Next, 眼睛, 眼睛. So choose C, eyes, right? 眼睛. So here 鼻子 and mouth, 嘴. So 鼻子 means nose. And 足球, 足球, football, right? So how to say basketball, do you remember? 篮球, right? 篮球. And table tennis, how to say in Chinese? 乒乓球, 乒乓球. Okay, next one, 椅子, 椅子. So we choose F. And the last one we choose A, right? So the answer is here, D, E, C, B, F, A. D, E, C, B, F, A. So you did all this exercise right? All correct or not? Okay, so next one. Look at the pictures and talk about best time to visit Beijing. So here, 3月 March, 3月, 3月. So in spring, right? Next, 6月, 6月 summer. And September, autumn, right? September is in autumn. And 12月, 12月 December, winter. So which season or which month do you want to travel to Beijing? Which month is the best time to visit Beijing? So I think June, right? 6月, 6月. But also I think September is the number 2. So number 2 best time to visit Beijing. Okay. So the first text let's learn in the school. 在学校. Okay. New words first. 旅游. Please follow me twice. Okay. 旅游 to travel. To take a trip. 旅游. 觉得, 觉得 to think, to feel, 觉得 it's a verb, and also 旅游 is also a verb. Next, 最 most, to the greatest extent, 最 so the most famous, for example, 最著名 or 最有名. Okay, next, why? 为什么？为什么？也 also Also, to. Okay, let's read together. Follow me. 旅游，旅游，觉得，觉得，最，最，为什么，为什么，也，也。Okay, so then about the text. Okay, so A says, 我要去北京旅游，你觉得什么时候去最好？我要去北京旅游，你觉得什么时候最好？ Okay, faster. 我要去北京旅游，你觉得什么时候最好？ Okay, so I want to go to Beijing for traveling, and what do you think? Which time is best time to visit Beijing? And here B says 9月去北京旅游最好。So September is the best time to visit Beijing. Let's read again. 9月去北京旅游最好。9月去北京旅游最好。为什么 ？Why？ 9月的北京 ，so 9月的北京 here is 9月的 as an adjective， 北京 ，so Beijing in September， 9月的北京。天气 ，so the weather， 不冷也不热 ，it's not cold, neither warm， 热sorry, neither hot. So it's not too cold and not too warm or hot. 9月的北京，天气不冷不热。Okay, I will read again. Maybe faster this time. 我要去北京旅游，你觉得什么时候去最好？9月去北京旅游最好。为什么？9月的北京天气不冷也不热。Okay, here the grammar and note here. We learned this adverb of degree 最 here. It means being first among things of the same kind, all in a certain aspect. For example, 大卫的汉语最好. So David's Chinese is best, is the best. 最 So that indicates being the first, okay? The first one. The first. Among things of the same kind. And next, 我最喜欢吃米饭. So I like eating rice best. This is about text 1. And let's learn the grammar about auxiliary word. So 要 here. 要. When used before a verb, it indicates the desire to do something. For example, 王芳要学英语. So here, I will give you an example like 我要成为一个模特. So I want or the desire of being a model is my best. 我要成为一名模特. Here, 王芳要学英语. So Wang Fang desires to learn English. 我要吃米饭. I want to or I desire to eat rice. And next, the negative form is usually like this, but we don't use 要 here. We use 不想. So if you don't know, please take a note. 不想. This is the positive form, and here negative form 不想. 不想. For example, 小王要去，我不想去。小王 desires to go. However, I don't want to go. Okay? So please remember 要 and the negative form 不想. And we also can ask here, this last sentence, 我们要不要买几个新椅子? So we buy some new, we buy any new chairs or not? 要不要? So here just like advise and ask if we want to buy or not. Next text, looking at a picture. So first new words, 运动, 运动, sport, to take physical exercise, to work out, 运动. Next, 踢足球, 踢足球, to play football, 踢足球. 一起, 一起, together. Okay, so first sentence, 你喜欢什么运动? What sport do you like? 我最喜欢踢足球. I like playing football. So here the best, right? 我最喜欢踢足球. 下午我们一起去踢足球吧. So let's go to play football this afternoon. Great. 好啊. And please practice and read from time to time. Just read maybe 10 times or 20 times until you can remember or you can speak fluently. So it's the only way to practice language, right? Next one, so text 3. 我们要不要买几个新椅子? So don't you think we should buy some new chairs? Let's read again. 我们要不要买几个新椅子? 好啊，什么时候去买? Yes, when shall we go to buy them? 好啊，什么时候去买? When shall we go to buy them? 明天下午怎么样? 明天下午怎么样? What about tomorrow afternoon? When will you be back tomorrow? 你明天几点能回来? 你明天几点能回来? So here, 能, that ask, it's I think we learned, or maybe in H3. So 能 means that a possibility. So 回来, when will be the possibility of coming back tomorrow? So that's translation. Just ask because it will happen tomorrow. Just ask the possibility. So 3点多, a little bit later, after 3 o'clock, maybe later. 3点多. Okay, next one, at home. It's a cat, right? So here, there is a cat under the table. It's my cat, 花花. So 桌子下面有个猫. 那是我的猫. 它叫花花. 那是我的猫. 它叫花花. 它很漂亮. So it's beautiful. 是啊，我觉得它的眼睛最漂亮. I think it has the most beautiful eyes. So here 最. So we learned 4 texts that every text have 最, right? Sorry, every text has no, this one doesn't have, but 3 texts have 最 here. The first, right? And next, 他多大了? 他多大了? How old is it? 6个多月. More than 6 months. So here 6个多月, more than, we use 多 here. And let's learn how to the expressions of approximate numbers. Here 几 and 多. So 几, that indicates the number less than 10, followed by a measure word. So here 几个, so ask that number may be less than 10. When you ask people, so how many people in your family, right? Maybe less than 10, so you use 几, right? And for example, this one, 几个人, how many people? And next, 几本书, how many books? So when you ask that some, the number may be more than 10, we use 多, and we can ask 多少钱, we learned how much, 多少钱, right? Maybe more than 10. And the waiter will say that 20, 20元, so more than 10, right? So we use 多 here. Okay, the first one, 车上有几个人? So how many people in the bus? How many people in the bus? 我想买几本书。I want to buy few. I want to buy few books. Okay, this is the grammar and how to express the numbers 几 and 多. Please take note. Okay, the homework. Describe the pictures using newly learned language points, artwords. So here, 我要去买 what 个新杯子. So we just learned, right? Maybe here less than 10, so we use 几, okay? 几 Understand? 我要去买几个新杯子. Next, 你 what 买衣服去那个商店吧. Here, 去那个商店吧. So here we use a verb. We should, because 买 means buy, right? And we use auxiliary word that we use this word we learned in this unit. 你要买衣服去那个商店吧. If you want to buy clothes and go that shopping mall. This one, 我的猫3岁. So here, we can say that more than 3 years old, right? So how to express this one? 我的猫3岁多了, right? More than 多 also means more than. Here, 我不想学习. 我想和朋友去踢足球. Here is football, right? 踢足球. So 3 words. I read again. 踢足球. Okay. So this is all about Unit 1. And if you have any problem that you can send me email. Okay. And next time we'll learn HSK2, Unit 2. So I mentioned that if you are the beginner of Chinese learning and you can check HSK1, which I already recorded. And if you finished HSK2, and you can go on HSK3. Okay, this is all for today. And if you like, please give me a like and see you next time. Bye bye.